How to log into TaxBuddy account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to log in. In this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can log in into your TaxBuddy account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, do make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will use Safari. Now search for the TaxBuddy login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, click on the first website that you see on your screen. Now wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Here, as you can see, +91 is an Indian mobile number code, so you just need to enter your Indian mobile number in order to sign in into your account. So just fill up your information and tap on sign in option. So that's all. In this way you can simply log in into your TaxBuddy account. I hope you understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.